Hello everyone, you're watching EngLango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with you all with one of the important topic today, grammar. What is grammar? Many people are facing problems in grammar, in the importance of learning grammar. People are telling you what is grammar, but many people don't know what are the importance of learning grammar. So in this lecture, I'm going to clear it to you that grammar is the backbone of a language. And if you don't know how to make structure, you'll not be able to communicate and convey your message the way it needs to be conveyed. There are a lot of definitions according to different comedians, but one of the simple and specific definition is it is the way that words can be put together in order to make sentences. This is something which is a very authentic and simple definition of it. And if you still don't know about grammar, let me make it clear to you. Grammar means SMS. Sound, meaning, structure, in simple words. If you're a beginner, you will understand it. Sound. If you're using a word, does it have a sound or not? For example, meet, M-E-E-T, meet. Meet mean milna. Now, sound. Does it give a sound or not? Does it create a sound? Yes. Meaning, does it have meaning? Yes. Meet mel. Meet means to greet, milna. And the next one is structure. Does it come in a structure? Yes, it comes. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. That is how each word give proper sound. Each word have proper sound, meaning, have proper meaning, and they are used in appropriate structure. This is what grammar is. Now, grammar includes different, things. Like parts of speech. In grammar, we have parts of speech. There are different parts of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, verb, article, conjunction, and interjunction. They are the parts of speech. There are 12 major tenses in English. We have 12 major tenses in English: simple, present, past, future, and they have then subtypes of it. Voices. There are 3 major voices. Many people know about 2 voices, but there are 3 major voices. The first is known as active voice. The second is known as passive voice, and the third one is middle voice. For example, I take dinner. I take dinner. The dinner is taken by me. This is the passive of it. I take dinner. The dinner is taken by me. I prepare food myself, by myself. I go to school, or my father drives himself. When there is a reflective pronoun in the end of the sentence, it means that is the middle voice. Like this, we have narration, punctuation, we have comma, we have full stop, we have exclamation mark, we have question mark, XYZ. They are very important to know about it. Now, the importance of learning grammar. Why is it important to learn grammar? This is a question. Why is it important to learn grammar? If you want to listen something, if you want to listen to a native speaker, watch a movie, listen to a music, listen to a lecture, or anything, you need to know about it. You need to understand it. For understanding it, you need to have command word grammar, structure. If you are speaking something, if you're saying something, if you speak to someone, for example, I go to school. I go to school is a structure. I watch TV, it's a structure. In speaking, when you have to use appropriate structure. If not, incorrect. Reading, it's very important to know about grammar while you're reading. When you know about grammar, you will understand what thoughts the writer is trying to convey. Writing, in writing, it's also essential. School, college, university, we have delivered lectures in school, college, university. We have taken lecture. And when we are going to the examination, we are going to write in our paper. So when we are writing incorrect English, that is something that our teachers are going to cut our marks. So if they are going to cut our marks because of the writing, it means our structure is not fine. Beside that, one can convey the specific meaning to their audience. If Your grammar is good if your structures are correct. You could easily convey your message to your audience, convey the specific message that you want to convey to your audience. Now, you need to know why is it important. Simple. For example, I eat mom. If you're writing it this way, it has different meaning. It means you are eating this. But if you're saying I eat, mom, and there is comma, so there is punctuation in it, and it's, when you are going to address someone, जब आप किसी को address करते हैं, when you are addressing someone, you're using the statement this way. I go to Dr. Ali. That's how punctuation plays vital. Now, parts of speech. It is pronoun, it is verb, it is possessive adjective, it is common noun. And this is the simple present statement. In tenses, it is simple present. It is active voice. And in parts of speech, there are different parts of speech in this sentence. That is how what grammar is. That is why we should learn grammar. And it's important to know about grammar and the importance of it. If there is any query, I would love to answer it. But you must not forget that I'm gonna teach you all these parts of speech, tenses, voices, narration, and punctuation. All the grammar is going to be taught by me very soon and on the same channel, and I will make it clear to you. It will be a piece of cake to understand these topics. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great time. Take great care of yourself.